This question becomes much easier once we see the Lewis dot structure of each of these compounds. Acetone is polar, so it has LDFs. It also has dipole-dipole forces, but the oxygen is not directly bonded to hydrogen, so there are no hydrogen dipole-dipole forces. In contrast, propanol, as always, has London dispersion forces. It is also polar because of the OH group, and therefore has dipole-dipole forces. However, it also exhibits hydrogen dipole-dipole forces, hydrogen bonding, because in this case we have hydrogen directly bonded to the oxygen atom. So we would expect that propanol has a higher boiling point than acetone.